Check it out. All my birdies flew away. You know why? I'll tell you why.
A predator.
Look at this. A broad wing hawk. Waiting. He scared everybody. He's looking for the squirrels and the chipmunks and the mice that we have around here. Look at him, how gorgeous he is. We are being very cautious because he may see me. Oh, there he goes. He's looking at something. He's predatoring, if that's a word. He's hunting. He's seeing somebody. He's looking at the directions where the squirrels come from. And the squirrels come from these holes right here. I'll show you.
Where the fuck is he? I can't find him on here.
Ding dong, it's right there.
I know, you think I
Look at the holes. That's where the squirrels pop out. Right there. And he's waiting patiently. Yes, you can. Look with your eyes.
Oh, there he is.
He came by yesterday and I didn't have a chance to get footage. He may have chased the owl away because I don't see my
Oh,
friend.
I got him in focus. Good. Oh, God. He's got like a nice band above his eye. Oh, he's beautiful. Oh, what a cutie patootie.
I'm doing a video.
You can't hear me.
I'm doing a video.
And?
This is my program.
Oh, God.
It's snowing here too. Look at, he can turn his head all the way around.
He has 2 occipital condyles.
What the heck does that mean, Francine?
Like an
in
owl?
layman's terms, please.
We only have 1. He might have 2.
He's like an owl.
Almost. An owl can.
He almost looks like the barred owl.
Look how pretty.
Okay, I wish he would attack.
Oh, look how cute he is. I want him as a pet.